Up next, we have a very interesting event. We have the Naga War Cry to be led by Mr. Sahiinii Lana, who is once a member of the finance of the Poumai Naga Union Delhi. Before he takes the stage, here's a brief highlight about the Naga War Cry. The war cry is a shout or a slogan used to rally people in battle for a cause. It is literally a battle cry or intended to intimidate enemy and boost the morale of fellow combatants, or a figurative expression for a cause, like a political slogan or a protest chant. The purpose of the war cry is to arouse aggression and unity within one's own side while intimidating the opposing force. Ladies and gentlemen, now I call upon Mr. Sahiinii Lana to take the stage. That was a powerful, gut-wrenching performance of War Cry from our brother, Sahiinii Lana. Thank you for the wonderful performance.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. It's time to meet the bright faces who joined our Poumai community here in Delhi. Jolza, precious meat, Dijunga Hai Vetedonium, precious mitonium, Nilawi Tele, did you hide Zunhi, Puanio, Stagey, Takelapio, did you hide Sani Takelapio, did you hide Paunanibe? Dear freshers, this is your moment to shine. Don't be shy, my dear Hoso. The stage is yours to share a little about who you are, where you come from, and the dreams you carry with you. Kindly step forward and let us celebrate the new energy, talent, and spirit you bring to our Poumai family in Delhi. We are excited to hear your stories. Precious Maitolishini Tabab, Stichini Sasani Tabalapuyo Dijuhai Paunara. It is your time to shine. Kindly step forward and occupy the stage. Yes, we have the first freshers coming up on stage. Thank you. Requesting the other freshers also to come up. Before that, I would also like to give some judging criteria which has been handed over by the jury. We will right off start the judge in this first session onwards. And the criteria is confidence and presence. The entire criteria carry 100 marks. The first is confidence and presence, 25 marks. How you present yourself and connect with the audience. Second, we have the communication, the clarity, your expression, and ease of speaking. The third, we have creativity. You will be assessed through your originality and fun in talent or responses. The last one, community spirit, how you represent the Poumai values. So, given these 4 criteria, the judge will be judging for the Mr. and Miss Freshers 2025. Right, you can take your time.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. This is Jay Dilabao. I'm 18 years old from Gungdae Shimpung. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from Monzhen College, that is back in my hometown. And I have recently moved to this Delhi to pursue my graduation. To be honest, I don't have a particular hobbies, but in my free times, I spend it on reading books, cleaning my rooms, and as a man, I love working out. And as a man, I'm learning to take self-responsibility, work hard, and to be disciplined to master myself. Thank you, everyone.
Freshers Metal Ledo Maika High, Lani register Surai Dini report Vekare. Silazanio Ito has stage de Pala High, Mike Cairo Pop Dini Chorai, Silazani Lishinu, Jufjanu, Sa, and Nilavi Taile, did you high organizing committee member Niro, Nilavi Taile, did you high Chuanu, Sudapirai, Silazani Nilato, Lishinipa, Lapuyo, did you Paunarai? Oni nilato pa introduction so ki sula ni pala shini ko lapuyo. Freshers my tao nilato burai dilosa lishini ta pala lapuyo. Freshers my high cheap po ningo right. Ito midlong guest man tao ligwe. Sivasaniu ito Poumai Tiju culture pride high pupang ngore do niu lishini smart show ni ta pala lapuyo dini. I request the second freshers to kindly take their time.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Duvinia Rosena. I hail from Sahiinii village. I recently completed my graduation from JNIMS in Phal, and I have come here to pursue my further studies. I'm someone who loves reading, singing, and loves playing badminton in my free time. Since I'm a dental surgeon, I would like to share small tips on how to maintain a good oral hygiene. First, it is called the 2-2-2 rule. First, brush your teeth twice a day, that is, once in the morning and once at night. Second, brush 2 minutes each time. And the third, visit your dentist twice a year, that is, every 6 months. Thank you everyone for making our day so special, and I'm truly excited for what lies ahead. Thank you.
Nilato cherry kilo de show soneta pa tele pupe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm SP Ezekiel, proudly presenting from the vibrant hills of Sahiinii Lana, district, Manipur. I graduated from Poumai Science College, Jotsang, Nagaland, with honors in chemistry, a subject that taught me patience, precision, and the beauty of transformations, not just in science, but in life itself. And currently I'm preparing for competitive examinations, constantly striving to become a better version of myself each day. And well, when I'm not studying, you'll either find me working out at the gym or experimenting in a kitchen. Two things that remind me that discipline and creativity can coexist hand to hand. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Grace Shruvinia from Kongdae village, And I have completed my graduation from St. Xavier College of Snapti. And I came here to Delhi wishing to be a part of the cabin crew someday. I'm very glad to be here, standing in front of you all and feeling so warmly welcome. And I wish and I hope we all will work well together and as a family, and I will thank you.
Culture is what people ask for. Their thoughts, their minds, and what they heard from us. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you present here today. It's my pleasure and honor to be here today, introducing myself in front of our esteemed chief guest of honor, to all our special invitees, to all the seniors, and to all the delegates present here today. My name is Sahiinii Lana. I was born and brought up in a village known as Shah Auditorium village. I've done my high schooling from Sahiinii district, Manipur, and then I went to pursue my higher secondary from St. Peter Higher Secondary School, Shillong, Meghalaya. I have many other hobbies, but my hobbies include playing footballs, watching footballs, and solving mathematics. My aim in life is to become a successful entrepreneur, and I came here in Delhi to prepare for JEE entrance exam. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Paul from Purul village. I'm a B.Pharma student, GFS College at Lucknow. My aim is to become a successful pharmacist and also contribute to better healthcare. I'm thankful to be part of this wonderful event and also have a great time with you. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to each and one present here today. First of all, I would like to thank the administration and the people for giving me such a wonderful day to stand in front of you all. My name is Nola Sikowe and I'm from my village, and I have finished my matriculation from Sahiinii School, Snapati, and my higher secondary from Asofia Christian School. And I'm currently pursuing my BA in Satyavati College, Delhi University. And my hobbies, I like to play football and some sport activities. It's been an honor standing in front of you and introducing myself. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Samuel and I belong to Poumai village, and I'm here currently pursuing for the graphic designer, and my dream is to become a professional graphic designer. I would like to change my dreams into a reality, and my hobby is playing basketball. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're in St. Paul. That guy's my brother. That guy. Well, I come from Purul village, not family. And I've done my class 12 from Mount Zion High Secondary School. I don't have a hobby, but well, I'm here for preparation of my JE examinations, which will be in January. My aim is to become an engineer.
Good afternoon to all respected leaders and to all present here. My name is Sahiinii Lana. I'm from Sahiinii Lana. I aspire to become an engineer, which is the sole purpose of me being here in Delhi. It's a great honor to meet you all. Thank you.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I'm Sahiinii Lana. I'm from Maiba, and I find interest in doing crafting, and I am here pursuing my first year the picture. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is from Sahiinii Lana village. I finished my matric from St. Anthony School, Senapati, my higher secondary from Don Bosco, Maram. My hobbies in particular, I like to play volleyball, and I aspire to join the military force. I am indeed thrilled and excited to be a part of this community and to be with you all, to be a part of PNTMD, Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me, Delhi. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. I can already see that we are going to make great memories together. Thank you.
Galashore, Sawishore, Chipawishore, Jules Nileta Donio, Freshers, my hand at Donio, Viachi Popure Donio, Telepulo Sole, Viachi Popure Tele High Reverend Shah Auditorium, Pastor PBCD, Pinipa, Viachi High Popue Sole. Let us all bow our heads together as our Pastor, Reverend Shah Auditorium, Pastor PBCD, praise for the freshers. Viachi hai pauchere dilos the nilataulish in Itawisrao. Hana chelos the nilataudonia dini gift of welcome, a welcome gift. Memento hai paisolai was the new Viachi pauchere dilos the Tawimoni didn't allow the new Pausanibe.
Congratulations to all the freshers. With our new city head Hawa, Delhi city here, with such a you had I fulfilled Sulajne, the Chiponi, such you ani, Tepuvisha, Hanipulani, Taveju Hapani, when it did Lutio, and there goes a very bar, Dakatalutio, the head the way. Jachi that our blessing and chitli here, Jachipon was a vintage Bible bully on the Proverbs, you Rukadu, Alibi, Ane. And he didn't provide you with the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instructions. Hanhang Naimani, was with Ara Sajuma, Ramayani Pia. Qualava, Vasaludilza. Future was with such a day, they upon fulfill Sabulity, Chipohani with a heap of window. My Poumai my care registered Sabadini Haimachia, Pidi, Vebajiha, Titli, Kotomoe, Buddha Rechnibasa, Pumadojna, Richula, the Chipozinia, chụp được hiện của này chỉ tao mới về nếu phải phiền là hay nên lao mà đó hay Poumai Naga dù function hay về từ lúc mà tới đó à chỉ bảo từ lúc xưa let us all pray together. Sau khi là sử khơi là sử nên theo qua sự làm mà chỉ phá từ lúc về từ là với liền ngó là nên chỉ quy nên là nên vềดูsố project từ là ngó là vắt nên bỏ xuống nên Poumai Naga số du số bê buta rahi về mà ô nên phụ cứu bê số du số bê giờ vụ từ lúc về cái tia nên PNTMD में तो भी freshest welcome है ना है तो लव वे सब तो पे राइट चुचनी जितने जच्ची पाव ना जो सब है तो क्या तो भी बस नहीं क्या लो पाव है Poumai Naga होला न रारुमा अल्लाह सब पे क्यों लिसु जबुनी सितो दानी दिल्ली सिटी है नहीं तब लव यू माइतो लिपोए हमें तो ऑनर सुआ रेस्पेक्ट सुआ सदे गुज़ा हमें तो वेलकम सुआ Poumai Naga सोसो डिपुया पाने Poumai Naga सोचो वे ते है वे ते लो निवी क्या थे सलो बस ने तो क्या है सुधा का तन जिता जो को वेज़ोने celebrate सोने बोए क्या लो दे माँ ललो से भी बस ने Poumai Naga ते लो लिहिए लो हुआ ते न्यू सोने बोए अनाचियो सिटी du लिचिही वे माँ लो बोए अने बोए ते ही है रमाए निने को सा सुथे भी मुको सुमा बोले निने को जब मुको सुमा बोले निने को सा ताबी मुको इंस्पायर सब मुको गाइड सब मुको Poumai तो है हा का शुले Before we saw the new few experiences are low bushima, had they hapu by near PG, the Yanni Burai, Buimabi, Surdo village. And there was a woman, serving my woman on high no Puma by the Nivi Larveni Sulaji, High Jitavi, base upon the bar, serve racing that church or leech away. Poumai Naga ke hai he wasal da butte